How to hide friends on Facebook. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how to easily hide your friends on your page in the app Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Facebook app and go to the menu of your personal profile. Then click on the option in the top right corner as a coil. Next, click on the search option and enter friends. After a few seconds of waiting, click on the last item who can see your friends list. We went to a page where you can edit who can see our friends in the Facebook app. By clicking right here, choose any of the options you will want. Your friends can see all your friends, certain personalities, and only you. After you choose who can watch your friends, on this we can end. Thank you for watching, I hope it was useful.